Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on new followers on your Reddit app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. You just go up here and this is picture. You will click here on picture. Then this is window show for you like you say, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here in this window. Then you just click here on account settings for you. Then you come to account settings here in this window. Then you just click here on manage notifications. Then you come to notifications window here in this window. Then you just go down. You come here to new followers. You click here on this is mark, and like you say this is color show for you. That's menu followers, it's on now, so that's on now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you in next video.